Here's an interesting question for you. What if your daily habits, the things you're already doing, are actually slowing down your metabolism without you even realizing it? And even better, what if I told you that by making a few simple swaps, you could naturally boost your metabolism, burn more calories throughout the day, and feel more energized, without extreme dieting or spending hours in the gym? Today, I'm going to share the top 10 simple swaps you can make in your everyday life that can speed up your metabolism, support weight management, and improve your overall health. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, easy-to-follow blueprint you can start using today. Let's dive in. Swap sugary drinks for green tea or coffee. Let's start with one of the biggest metabolism killers, sugary drinks. Sodas, sweet teas, and even flavored lattes are packed with sugar that can spike insulin and slow down your body's fat-burning ability. Number 1. Swap them for green tea or black coffee. Both contain caffeine, which has been shown to boost metabolic rate by 3 to 11%. Green tea even contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that work with caffeine to enhance fat oxidation. Replace one soda or sweetened coffee with a green tea each day. It's a small shift that pays off big over time. And speaking of small shifts that add up, let's move to food choices, because what you eat can either rev your metabolism or drag it down. Number 2. Swap refined carbs for whole grains. White bread, white rice, and pastries are easy for your body to break down, meaning less work for your metabolism. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, or brown rice are higher in fiber and take more energy to digest. This is called the thermic effect of food, and it can boost your metabolism every time you eat. Try swapping your morning bagel for oatmeal or your white rice for quinoa. Your body will thank you. Now, if you're not ready to give up your favorite carbs, don't worry. The next swap is all about protein, and it can be a game changer. Number 3. Swap some carbs for lean protein. 5 atom, 7 aquam. Protein has the highest thermic effect of all the macronutrients. In other words, your body burns more calories digesting protein than it does carbs or fats. So, instead of a bowl of pasta with just sauce, add grilled chicken or beans. Instead of chips as a snack, grab a boiled egg or Greek yogurt. You should always aim for at least 20-30 grams of protein in each meal to maximize your metabolism. But food isn't the only thing at play here. What you drink beyond caffeine can make a surprising difference too. Number 4. Swap dehydration for water loading. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism. In fact, studies show drinking 16 ounces of water can increase your resting metabolic rate by up to 30% for about an hour. Here is a simple hack. Start your day with a big glass of water before coffee and keep a water bottle nearby all day. Bonus points if it's cold water. Your body burns extra calories warming it up. Now we've covered drinks and meals, but let's step into your daily habits, starting with movement. Number 5. Swap sitting all day for small bursts of movement. Sitting too much can tank your metabolism, even if you work out daily. The fix? Swap long stretches of sitting for mini movement breaks. Every hour, stand up, stretch, walk, or do 20 squats. These little movements, called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, add up and keep your metabolism firing all day. And while small movements help, what you do in the gym can amplify your results even more. Number 6. Swap cardio-only workouts for strength training. Cardio burns calories while you're doing it, but strength training builds muscle, and muscle burns calories even while you're resting. That means a higher metabolism around the clock. Try swapping one of your cardio sessions for weight training, resistance bands, or even body weight workouts. Your future metabolism will thank you. Now, let's head back to the kitchen, because the next swap is delicious and surprisingly powerful. Number 7. Swap salt-only seasoning for spices. Spices like cayenne pepper, ginger, and turmeric don't just add flavor. They can increase thermogenesis, the body's calorie-burning process. Capsaicin found in chili peppers is especially effective. Instead of seasoning your meals with just salt, experiment with spices. Not only will you cut back on sodium, but you'll also give your metabolism a natural push. Now, this next swap might surprise you because it doesn't involve food or exercise at all. It's about your sleep. Number 8. Swap late nights for consistent sleep. Poor sleep throws off hormones like cortisol, leptin, and ghrelin, which directly impact your metabolism and hunger cues. You should always aim for 7 to 9 hours of consistent sleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Your metabolism loves routine. And speaking of daily routines, here's a powerful swap most people overlook: stress. Number 9. Swap chronic stress for stress relief habits. Chronic stress keeps cortisol levels high, which can slow down metabolism and promote fat storage, especially around the belly. Try simple stress relievers like deep breathing, a walk outside, or 10 minutes of meditation. It's not just about peace of mind. Your metabolism will benefit too. Finally, let's talk about one of the most enjoyable swaps you can make, and it involves your favorite snacks. Number 10. Swap processed snacks for whole food snacks. Highly processed snacks are usually loaded with refined carbs and unhealthy fats that slow you down. Whole foods, think nuts, fruit, Greek yogurt, give your body nutrients and force it to work harder during digestion. Next time you're craving chips, grab almonds or apple slices with peanut butter. You'll feel satisfied, energized, and keep your metabolism humming. So there you have it, 10 simple swaps that can boost your metabolism without overhauling your entire lifestyle. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Every little swap adds up, and your metabolism will reward you for it. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these swaps are you going to try first? Or do you already have a metabolism-boosting habit that works for you? Drop it in the comments, I'd love to read them. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more health and wellness tips, and share this with someone who could use a metabolism boost. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more energized you.